How do you monitor all the computers in your company just using your browser? From your browser, so to speak, so that you're able to see the live computer screen of all of the computers in your company from anywhere because you're using the browser. For example, using your smartphone, using any other remote laptop from anywhere in the world. You want to see each live computer screen from all the computers in your company. Well, what you need to do is you have to install a small piece of software called Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of the computers of your company that you want to monitor. And if you do that, you will get you will receive with Wolfeye Remote Screen a dashboard that you open in the browser. You will get your own link, your own URL to your dashboard, and in the dashboard. Um, the live computer screen for each of the computers will appear. So please, after you install it, you might want to update the page and it will appear the new installed computer. You will see the live computer screen for each of the computer that you install the small piece of software. Yeah. So in this demo dashboard, for example, Wolfeye has been installed on Frank's computer, on Lisa's computer, on Mariah's computer, on Martin's computer, and on Paul's computer. So you see the live computer screen. This is the demo dashboard, and that is why you only see dummy pictures here that are not updated. But in reality, you will see the live computer screen for each of these computers that you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen. Okay. And live computer screen means that it is a screenshot that's updated every 2 to 3 seconds. You see that here in this time clock here. Um, every 2 to 3 seconds, the screenshot is updated. And that's how you will always see the live computer screen of that particular computer and will be able to see what exactly is being done on each of these particular computers. Yeah. So on this dashboard, which you open in the browser, as I said, and you will be able to open it from your smartphone, from any other computer, you have this drop-down menu here. By the way, the download link you will receive here in your personal dashboard. There is a button that says download. So you have to open the dashboard on each of the computers you want to monitor, hit this button to download the software and be able to install it on each of the computer. And after you've done that, they appear on the dashboard. Also, you have this drop-down menu that enables you, for example, if you have 50 computers, you will be able to see more screen at the same time or less screens, so you see bigger screens. This is um, so you find the trade-off for your specific case between bigger screens and more screens, better overlook. The standard, so to speak, the is 3 columns. So you have the option to take a closer look at one of these screens, let's say Paul's computer. And for that, you click on the name Paul and a new tab opens the live computer screen of Paul's computer in full size. Yeah? You can also fit to height, so that changes the size of the screen, and fit to the width, that changes the size of the screen. And you can even hit this history link that will open um, a screenshot history for Paul's computer, but this feature is disabled. You can enable it, write us a message if you would like to use this feature. Most of our clients don't need this feature because this feature, of course, you have to take into account the data protection situation for your situation in the country you're operating from. So most of our clients, they do not use the history link. If you hit it, a new page opens for Paul's computer. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is saved. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is saved, and you could download a zip file with the screenshots that has been saved. Yeah. But as I mentioned, you will not need it. So that's how it is. You have here on the dashboard all live computer screens and could open for each of the, let's say, Martin's computer on a new tab in full size, and could also access the history, the screenshot history for Martin's computer, so to speak. Again, screenshot history is not enabled by default. So if you would like to monitor all the computers in your company using your browser, come to wolfeye.co. Wolfeye.co. Select your language and schedule a free trial, a demo session. Book a 14 days free trial. Um, um, Book a demo session. It will be a Google Meet session. Okay, a Google Meet session. And that Google Meet session, I will give you the access to your dashboard. And I also will give you access to my dashboard. You will see my computer live screen, so to speak, so that you exactly know how Wolfeye works. So I would be very happy to hear from you. You could also contact me over WhatsApp. But if we are in different time zones, I'm in Germany, you might want to first select your time zone. And for example, if you're in Brazil, the date and the time, and enter your contact information. Please also let me know how many computers you want to monitor so that I can prepare the demo session better for your needs. See you in the next video.